Introducing the 2025 Seat Leon SP. 1. 5TSI 115 SE 5-door in sleek grey exterior colour. This powerful 1.5 litre petrol engine with manual transmission is perfect for any journey. Packed with comfort, safety and security features, this estate model is a standout choice. From air conditioning to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Benefit from our full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today to learn more about the ultimate driving experience this Seat Leon has to offer.